Hey guys, since it's the beginning of spring, I really wanted to create a spring makeup tutorial for you guys, and this one is neutral, natural, and wearable, but also has a really beautiful pop of glitter, which I thought would be really fun. So if you guys want to see how to do this, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm going to start off with foundation, and if you haven't seen my new video about my favorite drugstore foundation routine, you definitely need to check it out because that's the foundation routine I'm going to be using in this video. And I'm just using the Kokie Skin Perfect foundation mixed with the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, and I'm just going to apply it all over my skin with a sponge. And this foundation routine is just so flawless, like so airbrushed. It's beautiful. You guys definitely need to try it because I think you'll absolutely love it. Alright guys, now I'm using the Hard Candy Color Correct Neutralizer Concealer, and you guys know I'm obsessed with this stuff, guys. It's amazing for covering under eye circles, and I just put that under my eyes, on my eyelids, and down the center of my face, and I'm just blending it out with a beauty sponge, and I love this stuff. I don't ever see myself straying from this product because it's that good, guys. Try it and let me know what you think. Next up is powder, and I'm using one by NYX. It's just a loose translucent powder, and I'm just buffing that all over my skin, and I love this one. It seems to work really well for me. And then I'm going to go in with a contour color, and I'm actually using one by Kokie. It's the Kokie palette, and this was in my recent favorites video. And I'm just going to put that in the contour areas of my face, in my cheekbone area, around my hairline, and under my chin and neck as well. And this is a great color because it's not overly cool and it's not overly warm. I feel like it's absolutely perfect for my skin tone. This is one of my favorite palettes. I've been using it non-stop, and you guys should definitely give it a try because it is from the drugstore, so it is very, very good priced. Now I'm going to be using this beautiful blush by Milani called Romantic Rose. It's literally been one of my favorite blushes for so long. It's just the perfect neutral, natural color. And then a Makeup Geek highlighter. And this one is really nice and natural. Like, it doesn't give you that overpowering highlight, but sometimes I like to have something just slightly more subtle, and this one is a really, really pretty kind of holographic type of color. So I applied it on my cheekbones, my nose, and my Cupid's bow, and then right above my eyebrows. And then I'm going to go in with a palette by Urban Decay. It is like this little miniature heat palette, which is really good for travel. And I'm actually going in to this like mid-toned brown color. Now it looks kind of creamy in the palette, but once you get it on your eye, it's actually more of like an orange. But I really like this because it's going to give my overall eye look a nice warm undertone, which is what I was going for. So you're just going to take a fluffy brush and you're going to apply it in your crease and just kind of blend it out nicely so it gives a nice base color to your lid. Once you have that all blended out, you're going to actually take that same color on a smaller brush and you're going to apply it to your lower lash line. And you really want to blend this out because you kind of want this to peek out from underneath the darker colors that we're going to put on later. So now I'm just jumping to my eyebrows because eyebrows are a necessity, and sometimes I feel like doing your eyebrows can make your skin look better and your eye look better, so I wanted to get my eyebrows done. So I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade in Chocolate, and I'm just applying that with an angled brush, and I'm giving myself a nice defined eyebrow. Now I'm going into this kind of brownish red maroon color, and I'm putting that in the outer V area, and I think that this is an absolutely beautiful color for the outer corners. So I'm just applying it with a small brush, and then I'm going to take a bigger brush and I'm just going to blend it out a little bit. Now I'm just taking a really basic kind of champagne color. This color is very easy to find. You can find it in almost any palette. And I'm just going to apply it to my lid, and it's going to give me a little bit of shimmer, and it's going to give this look a little bit of a pop, which I absolutely love. Now I'm taking this little itty bitty tiny brush and I'm using that same maroon color and I'm putting it on my lower lash line area, and this is just going to kind of darken up the look and make it a little bit more smoky. And then I'm going to take this shimmery white color and I'm just going to apply it under my brow bone and also in the inner corner just to give myself a little bit of a highlight in those areas. And of course, I'm taking a black kohl eyeliner by Tarte and I'm putting that in my lower waterline. And then I'm taking my Physicians Formula liquid liner, which is my favorite liquid liner, and I'm putting that on my top lash line and winging it out. Once I have the winged eyeliner finished, I'm going to take this beautiful glitter, and this is by Urban Decay, and it's a gold glitter, and I'm going to put that in my inner corners and kind of drag it on the inner part of my lower lash line, and it's just a teeny tiny bit of glitter, but just enough to give you a really unique pop that you wouldn't normally see in an eye look. I absolutely love this because it's a really easy and wearable way to wear glitter. Now I'm just taking an eyelash curler and my favorite mascara. This one is by Essesnce and it's the Princess Lash. And I'm applying it to my top lashes and also my lower lashes. I decided not to use fake lashes for this look because I really wanted this look to be natural, especially with the glitter. I just kind of wanted it to be more of a wearable everyday look. So I skipped the lashes and now I'm taking Bedtime Flirt by NYX. This is a lip lingerie and it's my favorite nude in the whole entire world, guys. I'm telling you, it's the perfect color. And I'm just applying that to my lips. And that is it for the final look, guys. Super natural, super beautiful, and you got that fun little pop of glitter. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Alright you guys, I hope you feel inspired by this springtime makeup look. Don't forget to check down below for any details on the products that I used. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!